Everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Grass Designs. I've got a few hauls. What else do you do when you're stuck at home all the time? I'm stuck at home all the time anyway, but buy stuff. And I just ordered another one this morning. Yikes. Anyway, these are this season's releases from Prima. They're Finnabar molds, and I don't have all of them. I just got a few of them. This one is the skulls and wings and bones. Might help if I read, huh? Okay, the wings and bones. I haven't done any of these yet. Maybe I've poured a few. I haven't done anything with them yet. Then Queens of Steam and Vintage Portraits. These are, they're just gorgeous, gorgeous faces. There are 2 sizes of each one, plus a few little, this one happens to be gears. Same thing, 2 sizes of the faces. And this one is a little bit more closed kind of gears. Okay. Here's what we get. These were so much fun. These are just black gesso with the Finnabar waxes and some of the Frank Garcia artisan powders, which are stunning. I don't know if you can tell, but this gold has a like purple patina, if you will, whereas the rope has a more natural not natural for silver, but anyway, a blue-green patina. Really pretty. This was the other one on, excuse me, on the longer molds. I don't know what I'm saying. This one had kind of an Egyptian feel. So, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a dark blue background behind the gold. This one, of course, has the blue-green patina color, which is so pretty. But this one, that burgundy, again, is one of the Frank Garcia colors. Oh, and of course, it's not right on top. Anyway. They do come in some gorgeous colors. That one is like a Merlot or something, I think is what it's called. And then a brown, not sure if that's the clay color or there's one called a Parthenon, umber. Really pretty. Then this one has the green, some of the green, and again with the one of the browns. And this one may be the umber. It's a bit darker. This one is with the white gold, which I don't use very often, but it really gives a very nice color. I love how this one looks rusty. Really pretty. This one again has some of the green. Frank Garcia powder and wax. Really pretty. And then a piece de resistance. Oh, this one now actually has that same that same Merlot, but it's mixed with the I believe it's called Parisian Blue or something. Oh, it just makes the prettiest colors. Now for the wax, I'm not sure if this one was purple. I mean, was gold or silver to begin with. Maybe it may be the brushed iron actually. So that was this season's, some of this season's release. I'll get it right eventually. Now the one that I've got coming, I'm not sure about. It's from an old collection, so I just liked it. Okay, so I'm sure you'll be seeing quite a few of these. I've been doing these little altered notebooks, sketchbooks, whatever you want to call them. This one doesn't have end papers yet, but it's just one of those little plastic skeletons from the dollar store. Cute, 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 cute. I've done about a dozen of these so far. I'll do a video showing you those too. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I got links to every social media, everything down below. So, I have an Amazon link below that I get a little kickback from. I've got a polymer clay list, and now I also have a resin supply list. So, check those both out, and thank you for watching. Bye for now.